अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे पाइथन की, आप उसको कैसे इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो। सो फॉर दैट जस्ट ओपन एनी ब्राउज़र। आई एम चूजिंग गूगल क्रोम बिकॉज इट्स माई डिफ़ॉल्ट browser, so just choose any browser and then open the Google Chrome or search for Python and hit enter. Okay, now here is the official website. On the top you can see here www.python.org. so just open it or just click on the download. I will show you how it's look like. So just click on the Python website. So it's look like this. Okay, now how you can download this? So simply you can see here the download button, and here you can see the Python 3.10.1. so that's the latest version of Python. You can download it from here, and make sure note that Python 3.9 plus cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. Now just click on the Python 3.10.1 for downloading, and if your IDM is expired, just hold the Alt button from keyboard, hold the Alt button and click on the Python, so it will download through your browser. So you can see here. Okay, now I don't need to download with a browser because my IDM is working fine. So just click on the link and transfer IDM download to IDM, so it will appear just like this. So click on the start download. Finally it's downloaded, just click on open. Okay, now here you can see install Python 3.10.1 for 64-bit. if you are using 32-bit, don't worry, it will definitely work on 32-bit. and now here you can see you can customize it, and as well you can add Python 3.10 to path, and it's all depend on you. If you want, then you can customize the installation, and with customization optional features are added: documentations, pip, TCL, TK and IDLE, Python test suite, Pale launcher for all user required elevations. So just click on next, and here you can see the advanced options, install for all users, add Python to environment variable, and blah blah blah. So it's all depends on you, and click on install. Okay, now user account control will appear. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, definitely. Click on yes. That's it. Now you can setup was successfully installed. New to Python, start with online tutorials. You can check out the tutorials as well. Now you can close it, and also you can check the version. So Windows plus R button and type cmd, hit enter. Now just type the same command as I'm typing. So type py space and version, and here you can see Python 3.10.1. okay, I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. मिलते हैं next video में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Bye bye.